We are focused to continue to bring quality products, new exciting ideas to this marine industry.
Hi, I'm Ben Stoddard. I'm ARCO's Vice President of Operations and New Product Development. I've been in the industry for about 20 years in a variety of capacities, from managing boat yards to bottom painting boats, all the way up to becoming a Vice President of a naval architecture firm. One of the things that I'm most excited about right now is all the products that we have on the drawing board to develop. Well, we have brought some out in the recent months since I've been here. We have another couple dozen that we're working on currently. Some are directly in our general wheelhouse of rotating electric, and there are also a fair amount of things out there that are innovative outside our typical space that are going to really contribute to the marine industry as a whole.
Hi, my name is Martin Smith. I'm Director of Manufacturing for ARCO Marine. My past experience is 30 plus years in automotive and aerospace manufacturing. I'm excited to join the ARCO team to develop new processes and new products.
Hey guys, it's Thomas James, Sales Leader at ARCO Marine. The industry knows me as TJ. I've spent 30 years in the marine industry working with some great companies. Been very fortunate to see ARCO Marine over these years, and have always respected ARCO for their quality product, their quality name, and the opportunity presented itself to join this team. So I came on board in March 2021 as their sales leader. ARCO has done great things over the years, and we are focused to continue to bring quality products, new exciting ideas to this marine industry. My primary goal is to take care of our customers, whether it's the weekend warrior on the water, as I like to call them, it's the service shop, it's the distribution channel, it's the OEM provider. My goal is to make sure those guys are satisfied with ARCO products, services, and support.